The cord is a 3-wire, 18-gauge cord. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cover from the handle. And I'll need to remove just one of the bolts on the top of the handle. Now I'll remove the cord clamp. Next, I'll remove the screw that secures the switch. I'll pull the switch from the housing and locate the cord wires, the black and the white. I'll note their location and then go ahead and remove them. And I'll remove the ground wire. With the cord removed from the switch, now I can remove the cord guard. Now I can install the new cord. First, I'll need to prep the wires. I'll begin by cutting them to length. I'll use the old cord as a guide to get the correct length. Now I'll strip back about a 1/4 inch of insulation from each of the wires. I'll give the wires a twist. And I'll install some new eyelet connectors and crimp them into place. Now I can reinstall the cord guard. I'll slide the wires through the cord guard and out the other end. Now I can reconnect the wires to the tool. I'll start with the white switch wire. Next, the black switch wire. And the grounding wire. I'll reinstall the dust cover onto the switch and install the switch back into the housing. And I'll secure the switch with the screw. Now I'll re-secure the cord. I'll bring up the cord guard until it slides into the housing, and I'll pull about a 1/4 inch or 3/8 of an inch of the outer cord insulation past the cord clamp location. Then I'll secure the cord with the cord clamp. And I'll tuck all the wires out of the way. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cover. And that's how easy it is to replace the power cord on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.